guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to clean and sanitize used diapers. So buying used diapers is a great way to save cost in your cloth diaper journey. So you can buy used diapers at less than retail value and get your stash, build up your cloth diaper stash for even cheaper. Cleaning and sanitizing used diapers after you get it is a must. You don't know how the previous owner washed their diapers or if they sanitized their diapers before they sent them to you. So you always want to make sure you sanitize your diapers so that before they go on baby's bum, so that you know that they're clean and that they're safe to use. First, you're going to want to strip your diapers. So what we use are these Grovia Mighty Bubbles packets, and they are uniquely formulated to remove the buildup of urine and minerals from cloth diapers and garments. So these are not only really good to use for sanitizing cloth diapers, stripping them of any buildup, but you can use them for like workout clothes if they build up a lot of sweat in them. So you can also throw those in the wash with your cloth diapers as well. But they come in these little packets here. You just throw it in with the diapers. Today we have about 15 or so diapers. That's probably sufficient for a heavy load or for a full load for us. But if you don't have a full load, you can always throw in just rag towels or white towels. So let's do it. Okay, so one thing I wanted to mention is that you should always start with clean diapers when you're stripping and sanitizing your diapers. So all the diapers I threw into the wash today were all clean beforehand. Cut. As you're putting the diapers in the wash, just make sure again that the snaps are unsnapped because you want the diapers to be able to roam freely in the wash. If you have any hook and loop, any Velcro, you want to make sure that the tabs are put onto the back tab here so they don't attach to anything else in the wash. Throw those suckers in. And this wash is pretty full, but I'm going to add one extra rag towel to maybe 2 rag towels that are wet so that they trick the washer into adding more water into the wash. I have 2 just rag towels. They're white because I'm going to bleach them later, so I want to make sure they're light colored. I just wet them. I'm going to throw them in so that the washer is tricked into adding more water into the load. Again, we're going to take our Grovia Mighty Bubbles and throw it in. And then we're going to close it up. Mama, can you close it? Push, push. Thank you. Here are the settings that you want to put your strip load on. You're going to want to do hot wash with extra rinse. And then this is our heaviest setting. So it's a heavy wash. And then you're just going to start the wash. Here we go. Now let's eat a smoothie that Dad made us. Okay, so after your first wash is done, and you're going to want to sanitize your diaper. So you're going to use your regular laundry detergent. We just use Tide for our cloth diapers. There's many different types of detergent that you can use. We just found Tide worked well for us. And then we're going to use Clorox to add in to do a Clorox bleach wash. There's other sanitizers that you can also use, but regular Clorox has just worked well for us. So you want to make sure you have the sanitizing type of Clorox. You're going to want to set your wash again on hot setting, extra rinse, and then your heaviest wash setting. Okay, the bleach wash is POW, so when you take out your diapers, you're going to want to put them through the sniff test. So they should smell like just like wet cloth. You don't want them to have a strong bleach smell. So if it does, just run another short cycle, run another rinse cycle, and then smell your diapers again. So these smell great. You can either put them in the dryer, you'll want to put them on a medium setting, or you can hang dry them, and then that's what we do. And once they're all dry, they're all sanitized and ready to use on baby. Thanks for checking us out. Leave us a comment, subscribe, etc., etc. Why do I always say that? Subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification bell so you know when we post new videos, and we'll see you next time.